this is a story of the Trans-Siberian Railroad. The Trans-Siberian Railroad runs through Russia 7 days and 7 nights. It was an assignment for National Geographic. I photographed in summer and in winter, and it was taken in the late 1990s, and you may wonder where this picture was taken from. Here's the answer. I was hanging off the Trans-Siberian Railroad at minus 20 degrees. National Geographic figured out that with the wind chill, I endured temperatures of minus 100 degrees. Again, or still, we are on the Trans-Siberian Railroad. These people, surprisingly, only met on the train. I saw it from the outside, and I moved in, and I don't even speak Russian well enough to really communicate. So I'm working with the same assistant since a very long time, since nearly 30 years in Russia. And he speaks like me. He doesn't translate. He really speaks with the same intonation. And I said, please, I'm not here. Just don't move. I'm not here. Just continue. I explain later. And they were so nice, and they continued their conversation, and I got a few shots, and then I later explained to them what I was doing. It's certainly one of my favorite pictures of the story